CD image of the preview level.
So when we're doing the initial preview, you would recommend that we keep the green line right in the center, so it's faster?
For normal bone should be fine because long bone is pretty similar from you put it here or here.
Okay.
But for this one, like I recommend you put like a condyle or this bone part.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's to say it depends on the purpose.
Okay.
Yeah. The research purpose. Okay, so it's coming out, and here use the middle wheel. You can zoom in and out to see it more clearly. Sorry. And the left button, you can move it around. And what else we should do? Okay, so when the CT image come out, it will like automatically adjust to, jump to the output. Here you can set the level, the number here to make it more bright or less bright. Yeah. Then you can see the signal better, the image better. Okay, so basically there's only a few parameters you guys need to change. One is this one. Yeah, so I will tell you guys what is the one I did it last time. Zero to point 0.09.
Is it 0.09?
Yeah, 0.09. 0 to 0.09. Or either like the principle is like if you feel like more comfortable and you can see the difference between control group and another group. So but our is like 0.9. But since I'm still like adjusting, I can just move it around to see more like small details. And the other setting parameter setting is here. So you go to the setting page, you will see a few like thing here: smoothing, misalignment, and this one we always checked. Okay, larger than the field of view, and the ring artifacts, and also correct. We need to adjust the beam hardening correction. This is the previous setting, like the people who did it before, 2, 7.54, and 20%. What we need to do is adjust those setting parameters to make sure our CT image not blurry, very clear, and also comparable. That's to say you can see the difference, like the newly formed bone or whatever defect between this group and another control group. So this is a basic principle how to set it. Change this one. We could go here, start, click fine tuning here. Then you see you can pick whatever thing parameter you're gonna set, and you can use this one to adjust the step. Let me think about it. Let's do it one by one. Okay. The only thing you guys need to pay attention is this one. The only misalignment you need to adjust it for every single sample by yourself. The other thing, like ring artifacts, beam hardening, or whatever, you'd better keep like a consistency with the other sample. Like we already do this D3 project or whatever project, so the other number should be the same, including your scanning setting the same, the reconstruction setting should be same. Only misalignment, every single sample is different, so you need to adjust it. That's why I have the record for your sample or for the sample. This could be 4. This could be 9. And then I will change that, adjust that later. And this is 9. This is 54%. So this is like a basic setting. I put it here, and whenever I adjust it, I can move it a little lower, higher. But for this project, the surgery one, don't change this one, this one, this one. Only adjust the misalignment. So we go back to start, fine tuning, choose alignment. So you can change the numbers of trial. Like we test different numbers. Like parameter setting step 1, we can start from 1 first, and then you click start. So the basic line I set as 9. This is our record for the other sample. And then wait for a few seconds to 1 minute. Do you have the picture or setting for your previous one?
No. So I think.
I may have it. If we could find the day that we did it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it should be on here because the reconstruction data.
I don't know. Does the reconstruction data have the setting record here? Which one?
6 weeks, 075.
So you did some reconstruction before?
So this is the one that you did, remember? For
Oh.
Dr. Chen, when we were doing the addition.
So this is the one. Let me check this. No, it doesn't have. What is like for scanning setting? Oh yeah, it has here. Great.
Oh, okay.
So all the setting will be saved in the same folder. So if you don't know, like you don't remember which one is which one, you can go back to see. This is the alignment, 12.5, and what are others? There's somewhere we can search, right?
I think you can press
Fine.
control it.
B-E-A-M, Bing. Yeah, Bing hardening, whatever. Great. So all the setting will save here. If you don't remember, you can open this one. And the other, like Bing hardening, whatever, smoothing, and this thing, just keep the same thing. If it's 59 before, that's his project. Ours is 54. Okay, and only change the misalignment. That's great. Okay, we are adjusted. It's already like the computer run a few trial, and then we left click this button. So you will see the alignment. So I set as a 9 as a basic line. So the software will set like 6 different steps from 6 to 11. Then we put this window here, and I just switch between different ones to see. Zoom in a little. Which is the best number here? You may notice if I put it to 6, it's pretty like blurry. So we go back to 7.0, 8.0, 9, 10, 11. I think 9 or 10 is around there. Pretty similar to 8 or 9 or 10. So I put it in 10 or 9. I will repeat this step, fine tuning, and try 0.5 each step. So it will give us a number like 9.5, 10, 10.5, and below is a 9 and 8.5. We'll see like which one is the best one. Okay, so we go back to here, left click, so you will see here, and start from 8.5, 9, 9.5. So we try a different value to see which one can get a better image. Okay, it's pretty similar. I will set as a 9.5 here. And then if we need to adjust the other one, like this one, we pretty much like repeat the same step, fine-tuning the beam hardening, like artifact and smoothing. I will explain a little bit more why I tried his sample. But for now, our side don't need to change anything. Just this one is a setting. For 950. Okay. Cancel. So this is the thing. Double check. That's the one we already done, and then we change this one to 0.09. And then what else? Use ROI. I recommend you guys use this one. It will make our data a little bit smaller. If we don't have those ROI frame, then it will like reconstructing the whole thing, like including a lot of empty space. It will occupy the hard drive space and also increase the work for the software. So use this one. And then, there's some options: circle, rectangle, whatever. Yeah. And then left click here, then you can zoom in and out. And use this one. You can move the ROI. Try to make it a little bigger, especially for our sample when we said scanning, the mandible may be tiered a little bit. If we make it the circle too small, let's go back to here. If it's make the circle too small, it may not include in the compound area. So try to make it a little bigger. Where is it? Here. I guess here is pretty okay. Hopefully, yeah. And then here. Setting, no problem. Output, no problem. For double check, I will move the green line to here. Also, the widest part of your sample. Preview again to see our ROI is correct or not, or do we need to adjust it. And the ROI area, once you set it, it will match the whole sample. Yeah. It's good. I can move it a little bit to the right, not too much. Yeah, should be fine. Okay, and then we've done it. Go to the check DICOM also. Normally it's been checked. This one also issue. Let me see. Yeah, do not check this. Only check ROI and the DICOM. Thus it will create some BMP data set and also DICOM data set. And then go to the summary, go to the setting, start. Where is it? Oh, here, start. Add to batch. So this setting will be, okay, set it here. So when we start submit the batch, it will start all the other samples. So right now we can open the other one. Aim 8. So randomly pick one. And here, you may see here, this details like the reconstruction setting here. I think there's some function in the software we can save it as a file, and next time you just apply it to every single sample of your project. Of course, you need to adjust the misalignment. This is the other group. I will set around first motor here and the preview. So the only thing we need to adjust is the misalignment. This is 4. This is 9. Change this one. Still, open this window.